Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to join groups on Reddit application using your mobile device. To join groups on Reddit, launch the Reddit app open on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, go to the top right section from the home page and tap the magnifying glass icon. Type in the topic or group you want to join. From the search result, select the subreddit you are interested in. On the subreddit page, tap the join button at the top right corner of the screen. You will then be able to repeat the same process to join as many subreddits or groups as you like based on your interests. And that's how you join groups on Reddit using the mobile app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.